Most AI video tools do one thing. Some do it well, some not so much. But Hailuo claims to do everything: video generation, image generation, voice generation, even music generation, all in one platform, all wrapped up in this colorful, slightly chaotic interface that honestly looks like a creative arcade. So today, I am putting that promise to the test. I am signing up for Hailuo AI's free plan from scratch. No credit card, no tricks, no shortcuts. And I'm going to find out if their free tier actually delivers on that all-in-one promise, or if it's just another paywall in disguise. Quick thing before we get into this. If you have been enjoying the series where I test every major free AI video tool, the best way you can help me out is by hitting the subscribe button. It's completely free, it takes 1 second, and it generally helps a small channel like mine grow. Plus, you'll get every new tool review the moment it drops. Cool? Let's get into Hailuo. Alright, this is hailuoai.video. That's the URL. Type that into your browser if you want to follow along. And right away, you can see what I meant by colorful and chaotic. This dashboard hits you with options everywhere: videos, images, effects, templates. It's a lot, but in a fun way. They have got this gallery showing what other people have created on the platform. And honestly, some of these look really impressive. This is what app stores do: show you the best possible results to make you want to sign up. Smart move. Over here on the left, we have got home, assets, tools, and within tools, that's where all the variety lives. Video generator, image generator, audio, music. This isn't just a video tool. It's a full creative suite. Quick note on pricing before we sign up. The paid plan starts at $5.99 a month, which is actually pretty cheap compared to the most of the others I have tested. The free plan gives you a one-time set of trial credits using only the Hailuo model. The premium plans unlock Veo and Sora, which are some of the biggest names in AI video right now. So they are using those as the upsell. Okay, let's actually sign up. I'll hit sign in, continue with Google because that's the fastest way. Use my account, continue, and we wait. And we are in. They immediately throw up a discount banner, biggest sale of the year kind of thing. I'm going to ignore that for now. We are here to test the free plan, not to get talked up into paying. If you want a discount, that's between you and Hailuo. So this is the homepage, and just look at how much is going on here. Light Studio, Hailuo's agent, video generator, image generator, voice generator, music generator. That's generally a lot you can do with Hailuo. It's not just another text to video tool. It can create images, voices, even music. Whether that's a good thing or a jack of all trades, master of none situation, that's what we are about to find out. Let's actually try to make a video. I'm clicking create video and let's see what we are working with. Looks like we can create from a video, from an image, or even from audio. Interesting. So they are not strictly text to video like Pega or Luma. Now for the important part, credits. We have got 200 credits in the free basic plan. 200. That's actually one of the most generous free tiers I've seen so far. But here's the catch. These are one-time credits. Once they are gone, unless you upgrade. For the model, we have got Hailuo 2.3, Hailuo 2.3 Fast, Hailuo 2.0, and the Veo and Sora. But the Veo and Sora ones, those are paid only. So on the free plan, we are choosing between Hailuo 2.3 and 2.3 Fast. I'll go with 2.3 Fast because it's only 15 credits per video. That means with 200 credits, I can generate around 13 videos before I run out. Not bad at all. For resolution, 768p is free. 1080p requires payment. For length, 6 seconds is free, 8 seconds is paid. So I'm going with 768p, 6 seconds, costing me 15 credits, solid. Now here's where things get interesting. I'm looking for the option to just type a prompt and generate a video. No image, no reference, just pure text to video. And I don't see one. At least not on the free plan. So like I did with Runway, I'm going to use the same dog image I've used on every tool for consistency. Let me upload this golden retriever picture as my start frame, and then I'll add the same prompt I have been using throughout the series. Now it's optimizing my prompt, which is something I haven't seen on the other tools. It's basically rewriting what I gave it to get a better result. We'll see if that helps or hurts. While we wait for it to analyze the image and start generating, here's something cool. Hailuo lets you set a start frame and the end frame. That means you can give it the beginning and the end, and it figures out the motion in between. That's a feature I haven't seen on the other tools, and it could be a huge for creating consistent sequences. Okay, it's actually generating now. I click the button, we are at 50% and 100% perfect, done. That was fast. And there we go. A 6-second video of our dog from the image, but now moving. Walking around, looking around, the image stay consistent, the motion looks natural, the quality is genuinely good. Let me download it, export, and there we go, saved. The only catch, you can see there's a Hailuo watermark on the bottom corner of the video. That's the price of the free plan. If you want a clean output, you have got to pay. But the bottom line, we got an actual video, 6 seconds free, and it took maybe 2 minutes from the prompt to download. That's a real result. Alright, here's my honest take on Hailuo's AI's free plan. What's great? 200 free credits is one of the most generous free tiers I've tested in the series. The interface is busy, but I'm not confused once you find what you need. The all-in-one approach, video, images, audio, music, actually gives you a lot of value in one place. The optimization step where it rewrites your prompt is a smart touch. And the ability to set start and end frames is genuinely unique. What's not great? You can't do pure text to video on the free plan. You have to give it up a starting image. That's not a deal breaker, but it's worth knowing before you sign up. The output has watermarks unless you pay. And once your 200 credits are gone, you are done. There's no daily refresh. Who should use Hailuo's free plan? If you have already got images you want to bring to life, photos of your pets, your products, anything visual, Hailuo turns those into video really well. If you want a one-stop shop for AI media creation, video, images, audio, music, this is one of the few tools that actually offers all of it in one place. If you specifically want pure text to video for free, I'd point you to Pika or Luma instead. I've got full walkthroughs of both on this channel, links in the description. And listen, if you have made it this far in the video, the best thing you can do for me right now is hit subscribe. It's completely free, it takes a second, and it genuinely helps me keep making the series. We have still got more tools to test, including the big one, Google VO. And if you don't want to miss it, so smash the subscribe button, drop a comment letting me know which tool you want me to test next, and I'll see you in the next one.